Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with your new favorite series, this Hypebox series. This Hypebox is going to be $750 and I'm not sure why it's making this sound. It's got to be a Supreme item, right? We'll find out. Anyway, this box does come to us from soulsteals.com. Soulsteals is a membership website where you get the opportunity basically to buy boxes like these, hype boxes, which are essentially Hypebeast mystery boxes. Not only hype boxes though, you get a whole bunch of shoes for like way under market value. There's like clothes under market value on there as well. And I feel like there's a whole bunch of like daily deals, and there's like mystery pairs and deal packs. There's a lot of stuff they got going on, and it changes every single week, so it's like always a surprise, which I really like. So check that out, link is in the description below. Highly recommend it. I mean, I've been doing these boxes for quite some time and they're a lot of fun, so hope you guys can get in on it too. Anyway, this box is $750 and I'm excited to see what the heck is in here because I don't understand at all. Let's open it up and see what we got. Before we get into it though, if you guys have not already, be sure to subscribe down below. Join the Untied Ohana. I try to get back to all of the Ohana's comments within like the first hour or so. So if you guys come through, subscribe to the channel and hit me up within like the first hour, I'll probably respond to your question or whatever you guys got going on down there. So be sure to do that. And if you guys do like this video, be sure to give that thumbs up as well. Time to open up this box. 750 bucks. Let's get into it. That was probably the slowest opening, even though I sped it up, because anytime I see do not open with sharp object, it just is like a red flag for me, man. What? Alright, so first thing out, we got this huge Bape hoodie, it looks like. Bathing Ape. Alright, so it looks like just a standard camo hoodie, which, I mean, it doesn't get more standard than that. I think this is the college design, so a Bathing Ape, camo, it's pretty simple and straightforward, man. So I tried to get in the Bape recently and I can't do it just because the material is so heavy on this stuff, man. It's quality stuff, which I mean, that's why you're paying what is it, like $80 retail for a shirt. It is quality, but because it's quality, it usually means heavier material. So unfortunately can't keep this. Really nice piece though, so it will be up on the web store if you guys are interested in this. Not too much stuff in here. All right, so I gotta see what this is already because this is bothering me. I don't get it. It is in a box. I'm assuming it's Supreme. Okay, I still don't understand why it's rattling, but it's the key, that's why. Okay, so you guys can see in the back over there, I have this item already, but this is a really nice piece in my opinion. It's a Supreme lock box, so really clean design, and it is like a very heavy box. Does come with a key for it though, and as you can see, Supreme design on the front. But yep, definitely need this if you guys are a collector of Supreme. And now I understand why it was rattling, because that key was sliding around in there. Alright, that's cool, that's cool. Initially I thought it was like some kind of like, I don't know what my thinking was, but I felt like it was like some kind of pinball, like mini pinball machine. That's what my thinking was, but yeah, this was completely off. So if you guys want this one, I'm going to be putting it up on the web store as well, just because I don't need a second lockbox. So check that out. It'll be up on the web store hopefully today. Alright, so we got two more pieces in here. Pretty quick box today. This last one, I have no idea what this is called. Let's check it out here. Cord Collegiate Supreme. So you guys can see right there. It is like a hoodie, I guess, and it has Supreme in collegiate lettering. I say it every single time. Anything that boldly says Supreme is usually a good seller. This one did retail for $158. I'm not certain what it says up on there on the counter, but I'm sure it must be a lot higher than $158, right? It is a clean design. I do like it. However, it's another thing that I can't wear, unfortunately. Just because it's too heavy, it's too hot. Okay, last thing in here, which I'm kind of excited over, is this off-white piece from Nike. So I have that hoodie somewhere in the back over there that you get from the Mercurial off-white drop. It was like that whole football like collab that they had recently, which was in line with the World Cup. So makes sense. This one was $150. This one is a size large though, and it is one of those like football jersey kind of thing. So I do like it. Not sure if I'm gonna be keeping it because it is long sleeve, I believe. Yeah, but I do want to check this out. It is a clean design. I'll put up the whole image image right over here as well. Yeah, that is probably the most hype piece of this box. And for $750, I'm not certain how I feel about this. Value looks like it's there. I mean, even though there's no shoes in this box, the clothes and stuff move really well via like StockX or other places. Obviously, if you sell on StockX, you're probably going to take a bigger hit to value because all of those fees and whatnot will add up. But if you sell this stuff locally for around where a competitive market is, you should be able to get a huge return, which is what you'll probably see on the screen over here. So that's important, and I feel like a lot of people kind of neglect that. They're like, okay, well, after fees and stuff. Well, stop. Your first thinking is after fees, which means that you're assuming that you're going to sell on an app or somewhere else that charges fees. So that's the problem right there. Anytime you sell locally, anytime you can sell within your own means, cut out the middleman. You'll save a lot more and you'll earn a lot more. So I want to make sure that that's really clear for you guys, because I don't know why that goes over some people's heads like more often than not, you know, kind of confusing. Anyway, this box was super sick. I'm glad there was no shoes in here because it was able to pack more heat in terms of clothing and stuff. Gonna be really on the fence about this one just because I know it goes for a good amount of money, but I really want to keep it. We'll see. If you guys have not already too, be sure to check out that last video. I'll put it up somewhere over here as a card. But StockX did partner with us to give away $500. So if you guys want to check out that video, be sure to check out the description. It has all of the information for that giveaway. So hit that video up, comment in that video, not on this video, or else it won't count, for your chance to win 500 in StockX credit. So check that out. Let me know what you guys think. Anyway, thank you guys again for watching another episode of the Hypebox series. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, be sure to hit that like button down below. Till next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care guys. I'll see you. Aloha. Shoots!